Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video here to show you how you can check whether your AC compressor clutch is working or not. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So we've got our vehicle turned on and our AC turned on with our temperatures all the way down and our blower working. So right down here we can see our AC compressor clutch. You can see that the center portion is not spinning. I'm going to plug the AC clutch relay back in and you're going to see it turn on and start spinning. So you can see right there it's spinning. Now it's not spinning. Spinning, not spinning. So that's how you know your AC clutch is working and your AC compressor is working, is that the center portion of your pulley there is spinning like that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.